Hey, welcome to episode 1 for the love of gardening. Welcome to the new series. I'm super excited to have you guys. And I'm super excited for YouTube giving me an opportunity to teach people how to garden and showing my passion. It's crazy. So let's get to it. Starting with the vegetable and herb section, we have a storage container kind of system. This one was pretty cheap, $10 over at Walmart. Great for potatoes. I have nitrogen-rich soil that will be growing tomatoes and kale. Over here, this is a weatherproof, durable from the container store. I spent over, I think it was like $74 for this. Great. I drill holes on the bottom for drainage. And I have a nice little lavender bush that I grew kind of from scratch a little bit. She came from a small pot and she was kind of sick. I trimmed her up and now look at her. Beautiful, beautiful specimen. Last but not least, our herb garden. Our herb garden is just simply two horizontal Virgo planters. I planted arugula and I planted cilantro. So far, our arugula is coming out a little bit. Last but not least, three sisters. I personally love my three sisters. They kind of been here the longest. We have a basil plant here, which is inside the intro. I had just planted the seeds all over the pot, and somehow it came out as a heart. So naturally, I don't know how it happened, but nice soil, just nice little layer. This one I'm pretty proud of. These are red pepper plants. Naturally, you're supposed to put them in sections. I grew them as a bush, and seeing how that goes, I might separate one or two to deal and experiment with. And this basil plant I kind of grew from a small pot as a baby, and then grew a couple of other little seeds. And that's about it for the garden. It's very small, very manageable, but as the episodes progress, the garden will get bigger. Have a wonderful day, stay classy, and always, internet, stay amazing. Ooh, we got a little friend. Say goodbye, Mr. Ant.